Friend, the famous composer of so many operettas, Franz Lehár. First, here is the lovely Serenade from Frasquita.
When the moon is shining white through the darkness of the night, then I wait alone, for a laugh has flown, and the meaning of the breeze, as it wanders amid the trees, whispering this refrain, all love is vain. Yet in the night from dreams so pale, I seem to wake to find you there. And then around me your dear arms are thrown, you come to claim me for your own. I swoon and sway to your desire, your love consumes me like a fire, and as I float with you through realms unknown, I wake from sleep at last to find myself alone. But the moon is shining white through the darkness of the night, and I wait alone, for a laugh has flown, and the breaking of the dawn, as it steals across the lawn, falls on dale and dale. Farewell, my love,